With Easter right around the corner, we can't help but do another holiday wreath. So in this video, we will be creating an Easter wreath. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any specific project you want to see me do, leave it in the comment section down below. And could you please give this video a big thumbs up? It will certainly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so here we got our wreath. And we have all of our little Easter decorations. We got different eggs. All lined up right here. We have some Easter bunnies. We have some mesh decor, some pipe cleaners, scissors, our Cricut knife, our hot glue gun, and hot glue sticks. So what we're going to do is we are going to start with our wreath. We're going to take some of our pipe cleaners. Well, we'll just take all of them in this pack. That's fine. We're going to bend them in half, and then we're going to cut them down the middle. Now, I love these Westcott titanium scissors. They work the best for pretty much anything. I've had these for a couple of years now, and I absolutely love them. So what we are going to do is we are going to go in between here, and we are going to put wrap a pipe cleaner around these two, and then we'll go on the other two, and then so on and so forth. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take our mesh and we are going to let it roll up on itself like that, just so we get like double the effect. So we're going to unroll this whole thing and let it roll up. And there's a couple of different ways. If you want to see the different ways that you could do the mesh ribbon on the wreaths, let me know and I can do a separate video on that, because I know a few different ways to do the mesh ribbon and make it look super cute. So just unroll that whole tube, and we are going to take that in, and we are going to start right here, and we are just going to tie that with the pipe cleaner, and we are going to go around just like that and do it very loose because we are going to do this a few different times. And don't worry about the color of pipe cleaners you're using, because this will be covered up anyway. So we're going to continue doing this. And then once I am done wrapping all of these and get the look that I want, we will be back for the next step. Alright, so we got all of it wrapped around, as you can see. I did use all 6 rolls, but I doubled back on some of them. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take these wires and we are going to wrap them around the wreath one more time, just like that. I already did a lot of them, but I wanted to make sure that I showed you this step. So we're just going to take them all and wrap them around the back just so they're not sticking out and poking anything. So let's go around and do all the loose wires that may or may not have any left over. And as you can see, I did add a few as needed, so you are more than welcome to add whatever you need. But let's make sure that we don't leave any wires poking out. Okay, so it looks like we got all of the wires that we needed. Okay, so that is what we have so far. As you can see, every single pipe cleaner is covered up. Let's go around and look at it. And so it is nice and poofy. We are going to go ahead and take our bunnies out. And these are pinned together right there, but we're going to leave them together because we actually don't even want the sticks. Okay, so set the sticks to the side. We are going to, this is going to be our centerpiece instead of our bow that we would normally put, because I wanted to keep it, well, my glue stick melted to it. I wanted to keep it nice and simple. I don't want to add too much extra ribbon to take away from the mesh that we have on here. Make sure you glue those bows down and that they don't fall out. Just like that. So we're going to glue those on there, and then we are going to add the eggs around. And we have, okay, so we have me and my husband, and then we have 4 children. So we are going, I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to have the bunnies represent our family. So there is our mama bunny, our daddy bunny, and all the little baby bunnies. And just let that bow come out just like that. And then on our girl bunnies, we will add another little bow. So there is our family of bunnies. I hope you like the family of bunnies. I think they look super cute. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to add eggs everywhere else. So we're going to take away the bunnies. We're not going to put any more bunnies on there. And we will add these cute little decorative eggs. Here, there, and everywhere, like the bunnies hid them. All right, so there we have it. So now I am gonna go put it on the door and we will show you what it looks like. So we'll be back in a second. All right, and there you have it. A super cute Easter wreath for the door. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you wanna see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.